Now we are on question 4 on test review on linear relations. I hope by the end of these 10 questions you will understand quite a bit about linear systems, intersection, and what do we mean by solution of a linear system. Question number 4 is, find the point of intersection of the following set of lines. So we got two set of lines here. So whenever we have more than one line, then we call it a linear system. So the very first one is y equals to -2 and x equals to 1. You need to find point of intersection for this linear system. Y equals to -2 and x equals to 1. I think you got the answer. Let's move on to part B. It is y equals to 2x plus 1 and y equals to minus 5x plus 1. Do these lines intersect? If they intersect, at how many points? And what is the point of intersection? So if we look into these lines, they are not parallel, so surely they intersect. Now by inspection, can you write down the points of intersection for these set of lines? That is what you should be in a position to do. Okay. I hope you got the answer. Here is my suggestion. So, here is my suggestion. So what we do is, y is always -2 and x is always 1. So the point of intersection for these two, remember, these two represent lines. Y -2 is the horizontal line and x equals to 1 is the vertical line, where at every point x is 1. So the point of intersection can be x is 1 and y is -2, right? So these are the points of intersection for the given set of lines, right? So I can just graph it and show you on the graph. So if you sketch these lines, x equals to 1 will be a vertical line which goes through 1, correct? And y equals to -2 will be a horizontal line like this, which will go through -2, correct? So we have these two lines, which is y equals to -2 and this one is x equals to 1, and their point of intersection will always be 1 -2, correct? So that's how it is. Now the second set of points we need to find for part B. We have given you these equations in slope-intercept form, and you can see their slopes are different. Therefore, they will intersect at one point. To find the point of intersection, we will substitute the value of y and calculate. So y equals to 2x plus 1. We'll substitute this here and say 2x plus 1 equals to minus 5x plus 1, and then solve. If you solve, you'll get an answer. But can you get the answer even without solving? Think about it. Both lines have y-intercept at 1. Since they have common y-intercept, then what should be the point of intersection? That is what you should have written right away, right? And saved a lot of time. So the answer here is y value is 1. For x 0, both y values are 1. So it is y-intercept. Do you see that? 0, 1, which is our solution, correct? So my recommendation is, when you can get the answer like this, then get it. Don't waste time in trying to solve and getting a number, right? So that is what I will recommend. So both the lines have y-intercept of 1, correct? And therefore, the point of intersection will be that y-intercept, right? If you solve, you'll get the same answer, but after 3 steps. Avoid those steps. So both the questions which are given here, you could have found the point of intersection by inspection within seconds. Do you like it? That is how it should be, correct? That's the wow factor, right? So immediately as you see a question like this, write down your answer. Great. Thanks and all the best.